Hello everyone, and welcome back to AFG. Today, we've got an exciting deep dive into the world of NFTs, focusing on a project that's been making waves, StarryNift and its revolutionary SNT token. So, buckle up as we uncover the features, achievements, and opportunities that make StarryNift a standout in the ever-evolving NFT space. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our crypto updates. Now, let's get started. Features of StarryNift. StarryNift is not just a gaming project, it's a dynamic platform that empowers users to unleash their creativity, trade unique items and NFTs, and engage in a thriving community. The platform is packed with features that set it apart from the crowd. Let's explore a few key highlights. Creative content creation. First up, creative content creation. StarryNift offers a suite of automated tools that allow users to craft and enhance their content seamlessly. From continuous editing options to AI filters, layer arrangements, and annotations, it's a playground for content creators looking to bring their visions to life. Data-driven NFT valuation. Next, we have data-driven NFT valuation. Leveraging advanced analytics algorithms, StarryNift evaluates product elements to accurately determine the value of NFTs. This not only assists creators in pricing their work effectively but also contributes to a transparent and fair marketplace. Collaborative collections. And let's not forget about collaborative collections. StarryNift encourages users to work together in creating unique and distinctive NFT collections. This collaborative approach adds a social aspect to the platform, fostering a sense of community and shared success. Recent achievements. Now that we've explored the features, let's talk about StarryNift's recent achievements, milestones that showcase its growing impact on the industry. In October 2022, StarryNift secured an impressive $10 million in its Series A funding round, demonstrating widespread investor confidence. The momentum continued in 2023 with strategic investments from industry giants like Binance and OKX. This influx of capital has fueled StarryNift's development, allowing it to expand its user base and refine its platform. Testnet Campaign 2 with OKX X1 Exchange. But that's not all, StarryNift has even more in store. On January 1, 2024, the platform launched Testnet Campaign 2 in collaboration with OKX X1 Exchange. Investors are invited to participate, standing a chance to earn attractive OAT rewards. This campaign not only showcases StarryNift's commitment to community engagement but also provides a sneak peek into the platform's capabilities. StarryNift Airdrop instructions. Now, for those of you eager to get involved, here's a step-by-step guide on how to participate in the StarryNift Airdrop. Step 1. Head over to the official StarryNift website. Step 2. Connect your wallet using MetaMask or OKX Wallet. Step 3. Navigate to My Profile and complete essential details. Step 4. Visit Community, Greater Than Explore. Step 5. Log into Galx and complete StarryNift and OKX X1 Campaign 2 missions. Step 6. Engage in Twitter activities, such as following, retweeting, and liking project posts. Step 7. Join the Discord community. Step 8. Visit Facet and claim 0.20 kilobytes. Step 9. Mint your free StarryNift citizenship card holders. And finally, Step 10. Explore and participate in StarrySwap for additional opportunities. In conclusion, StarryNift stands at the forefront of the NFT revolution, offering a comprehensive platform for creators, traders, and investors alike. With innovative features, strategic partnerships, and a commitment to community engagement, StarryNift is poised to make a lasting impact in the evolving world of blockchain-based gaming and NFT ecosystems. That wraps up our exploration of StarryNift and its SNT token. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. As always, thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy investing, and stay crypto curious.